Hey guys, here is a quick look at the Veto DP3. DP stands for drill pouch, I believe. And I'll just walk through some of its features here so you can get a look. It's got this really clever S-hook system with kind of extra retention here to keep it in the webbing. But you can kind of back that off and adjust the height and clip it on to other pieces of gear. Really handy. Gives you some versatility there. Get that back on there. There we go. Also has a nice handle, which is usually how I carry this thing around. Not usually wearing it on a belt. My wife is a potter, and this is kind of my kiln maintenance kit, messing with coils and wiring and things like that to fix that. So I have my old Klein 11-in-1, just a vessel, number 2 screwdriver. These two slots back here are pass-through. So that does make it a little funny when you set this on the ground. If you try to set this flat, it does push these guys up and those back too. A couple of extensions, a locking extension and a flip socket in there. My tape loop on the other side, non-contact voltage adapter or detector, sorry. Some pencils, some extra bits, utility knife, electrical screwdriver with insulation, my impact driver. So that pocket is pass through as well. So you have basically these three all pass through. Okay. Then I have wire strippers, my Lyman's, twin grips, just diagonal cutters, flush cuts, a adjustable wrench. That's all I have in there. And then just in here, it's got several little slots for various bits. That's how I have it set up for extensions and whatnot. Some nut drivers because the kilns all use sheet metal screws, and a 3/8 socket adapter. So this is just a real quick kind of run out there kind of kit to work on something for her and get the kiln up and running again. So real handy pouch. The other thing you can do if you are going to be kind of moving around with this guy is it does have a little S-hook here attached to a loop, and you can basically lock this by running it through that loop there, and it'll keep your drill or impact secure from falling out. So got a little tape loop up here too if you want to use it for that. I usually don't keep that up there because I'm not usually measuring things with this particular kit. And I like this little leather touch here on the top. It's just a nice detail. You can also, if you wanted to, stash small bits in here. I've never done that, but I've seen guys use it for that purpose. I also have a little bit holder here on a carabiner attached to the side. So there you go. The Veto Pro Pack DP3. I think it's a really handy, quick loadout kit for quick inspections or small jobs, just diagnostic stuff, real quick stuff. So anyway, there you go.